Hi, this is Mrs. Serratis. Today we're going to review the directions for the KLM Company. Number 1. Open KLM Company from the share drive. That's the good news. It's already typed for you. Number 2 wants us to format cell A1. So I'm going to click on A1, and instead of using these formatting buttons, I'm going to click on this pull-out arrow, and that brings up this dialog box. Following the directions, I'm going to set the font to Arial, bold italic, size 16, color green, and a single underline. Click OK. Number 3, click on A2. Again, do the pull-out arrow and change it to Arial, bold italic, size 14, color green, no underline. Click OK. Step 4, merge and center. Select A1 through H1 and click on the Merge and Center button. We also want to select A2 through H2 and click on the Merge and Center button. Number 5, we need to put some spaces over here. And according to the directions, we need to insert 3 rows after row 2. So we're going to click on row 3 because that's after row 2. Make sure you're on the Home tab, then go to the Insert button, click on the drop down, and hit Insert Sheet Row. You could do that 3 times in order to get your 3 rows. However, I'm going to undo. Another thing that you can do is, since we need to insert 3 rows, I'm going to simply select 3 rows, come to the Insert button, and hit the Insert Sheet Rows button. And now I've got my 3. Now, another way I could do that is I could select this bluish gray area. I'm going to select 3 rows. I'm going to right-click, making sure I'm in the blue-gray area, and simply click on the Insert button. And that will put 3 rows in. As you go through Excel, you're going to realize that there's multiple ways to do the same thing. And it doesn't matter which way you do it, it's which one that you remember and you're most comfortable with. Number 6, we want to select A6 through H6. And we're just going to change the font to Arial, size 11, red. Number 7, this is new, changing the orientation. Again, we're going to make sure that A6 through H6 is selected, and I'm going to click on the pull-out arrow, and this time click on the Alignment tab. And in this area, we have the orientation. To change it, I'm going to click and simply drag the way that I want the words to be. Alternatively, I can come down here and set it. And we want to set it to 35 degrees and click OK. And look at that. It changes the words so that they're on a slant. Number 8, this is a review. We want to go ahead and select G7 through G20. Apply the currency and decrease decimal twice. Number 9, almost done. Select range H7 through H20. This time, go to the pull-out arrow near the word number. And you'll notice that there's different ways that you can format numbers. We're going to go to date, find the one that says 14 March 01, click OK, and you should see that your date has changed, the format of your date. And that's it. Now you try it.